you ask most people what comes to mind when they think of the egg industry, oh man, you cannot even imagine. We are Eggs Unlimited.
From insights to last-minute logistics, any egg, anywhere means we don't just deliver eggs, we deliver confidence.
We move fast and we do things in unexpected ways.
We connect egg farms and customers all around the country.
Our global network spreads across 600 locations. We have the trading team that are importing and exporting eggs across the globe.
We are booking truckloads, we're booking ocean liners, we're booking sometimes even putting eggs on planes. Yeah, like snakes on a plane, but eggs on a plane. Yeah.
My name's Tim Cohen, and I'm the founder and owner of Eggs Unlimited.
One of Tim's customers nicknamed him the Egg Whisperer.
Eggs. Whisper to the egg. Yeah, it's caught on. For years, I've been meeting farmers and their families at their kitchen tables, so it was fitting that we started Eggs Unlimited with my family, my brothers in this case. I trust them completely.
Today, Eggs Unlimited delivers billions of eggs per year. That's basically Eggfinity.
We're just going to keep bringing on the best people and do a really good job for our vendors and our customers and just keep growing.
Fun fact, we're one of the first companies to export eggs to Cuba.
In my wildest dreams, I could never have imagined this success because there was no plan. Figured if we grouped smart, aggressive, sincere people together, we could create something exceptional.
We assembled a crack team of experts. Experts in logistics, experts in retail support, experts in market analysis. And perhaps more importantly, they're just great people.
Every day is an adventure, that's for sure.
We are always going 100 miles per hour.
Full steam ahead, full steam ahead.
And we're doing it in a really collaborative way. We have such a great team of superstars.
I consider my team some of my closest friends.
I work really hard in the office, but I work even harder in those happy hours.
You play even harder.
From day one, Tim said, I want a great culture here at Eggs Unlimited.
I think the future for Eggs Unlimited, the sky's the limit.
You have huge momentum.
We got big dreams. We're going to grow in eggs even more.
We've already tapped into milk and butter and cream cheese and produce.
We aim to grow substantially, not just double this company, but 10 times this company. We're going to grow into one of the largest food companies in the world.